happy Independence Day to all of you, especially my little geniuses. Our nation resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. These are the golden words of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Today, India is celebrating its 74th Independence Day, and we all are so proud enough to witness this auspicious day. Our father of nation and numerous freedom fighters fought for the independence of India, and it's only because of their hardships, struggles, sacrifices we got freedom. And we are in sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic Republic India. And this what makes India unique and beautiful. Today, we all salute to freedom fighters and also to doctors and corona warriors who were fighting against this deadly disease, risking their own lives and making others' life comfortable. So let us be united not only from words but also from mind, body, and soul. Once again, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Stay home, stay safe, stay united. Thank you.
الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Hey brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of it, rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall बन के तमन्ना मेरी कि सम्मति सूरत हो खुदाया तेरी कि सम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी तमन्ना मेरी राहों से होती है चमकती सीनत की हो मेरे परवार की सूरत या रब की हो मेरे परवार की सूरत या रब. You to our soldier, I, Alina Ifat, with heartfelt gratitude, Almighty take up the opportunity in conducting today's assembly. On behalf of our class, first can our class teacher, Mrs. Hasina Parveen, and our Hindi teacher, Mrs. Talat Parveen. We wish you a very pleasant and refreshing morning. We started our morning assembly by paying gratitude.
Continue our assembly with thought for the day by Samantha.
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our soul. And repeat once again. Freedom in the mind, faith in the
A national culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. And Mahatma Gandhi said this.
A nation's culture resides in the heart, in the soul of its people. Independence Day. Independence Day is an important day for India. It is celebrated 15th August every year. On this day, in 1947, India became independent from the British rule. The Prime Minister hoists national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. State capital also celebrating this day. On the great occasion, we hoist national flag and sing a national anthem. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Thank you. All a very happy Independence Day. My name is Victor Dani. I am studying in first standard K. Today I am going to tell about independence from the Independence Day is an important day for India. It is celebrated on 15 August every year. On this day is 1947 India became from the
स्वतंत्रता दिवस के इस अवसर में इसके संबंध में कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ। स्वतंत्रता दिवस प्रत्येक वर्ष 15 अगस्त को पूरे भारत में बड़े धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। यह भारत का राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है। हमारा देश 15 अगस्त 1947 को अंग्रेजों से
Now let's celebrate Independence Day by patriotic song by Vishnu and Alina.
मैं जा रहा हूँ जहाँ मैं याद रही तू, मैं जा रहा हूँ जहाँ मैं याद रही तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, कह तुम मचा भी मेरी बुनियाद रही तू, कह तुम मचा भी मेरी बुनियाद रही तू, ए वतन पास बा हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम सारे जहाँ से अच्छा गोदी में खेलती हैं इसकी हजारों नदियाँ मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में दे रखना मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में दे रखना हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम वतन भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा